Hi, I'm Chris Russell. I'm with the Crossing Education Center, and what I'm in charge of is community engagement. We bring our kids to all kinds of events and we get them involved in the community. We tell them that part of learning isn't just the academics. It's not just the Pythagorean theorem and your chemistry and your balances, but it's also becoming a human being, part of a community where you go into the community and you help other people. Tonight we're serving at God's Kitchen. It's where we're serving over 100 people. We're serving them food. They come in, get a free meal. They get to hear the Word, know that they matter to God and that God has a plan and a destiny for them. We do a lot of things like this with community engagement. We go to crop walks, we help feed the hungry, we paint houses, we actually go out and build wheelchair ramps, things like that. Just telling the kids that part of life is learning to serve others, and that we really are blessed and we have so much. So once again, I'm Chris Russell at the Crossing Education Center, and we do community engagement. We get engaged in our communities.